Let's go with May Day. Unit 3, lesson 3. What can you see? People are protesting. Is the picture of protestation on something. And here they are telling that you cannot oppress the people who are not afraid anymore. তার মানে কি কোনো একটা কিছুর বিরুদ্ধে তারা প্রোটেস্ট করছে। Okay, let's see. Here is another picture, and it is the picture of the commemoration of an event. Commemoration means remembering something, some sad event, and celebrating that event with our sad memories. So that is the commemoration. Okay. Now, on what they were commemorating? This event was happened long time ago, and this is the picture on May 1st, 1886, happened in Chicago. So our lesson is on May Day, Unit 3, Lesson 2. What will you find after this lesson? What will you learn? You will learn, of course, the 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, speaking. Whenever we go with any English text, we are able to enhance our skills of these 4 skills: listening by listening to the teacher or listening to something else, reading the text, and speaking on that topic, and after combining all the ideas, writing something. Then your 4 skills will be developed. And this lesson will particularly teach us what does May Day refer to. Then we will find how was the beginning story of this day and what happened on that day. Then why this day is important to the people of the world. And what do we learn from the events of May 1st, 1886? Okay. So at last you will understand, it will make us to respect all works, all kind of works in the world. Okay, now let's read the text. May 1st, and this day actually we celebrate the Labor Day. This is your text copy. Okay, what do we have here? May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. See, here they are telling that people, this is the day to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people. For what? For establishing an 8-hour workday. Because in earlier period, before 1886, the working people worked for long time, maybe 12 hour, 14 hour, 18 hour also. So they protest against this, and they wanted to establish an 8-hour work day. That generally we know, as we say 9 to 5 or 8 to 4, যেটা হয় আমরা কি করি, আমরা এখন 8-hour work day count করা হয় worldwide. Okay, then since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th century in Europe and the US, The workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day, as I told you. On May 1st in 1886, this was the beginning. This is the landmark, okay, milestone. On this,
টিচার
yes,
ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল রেভলিউশনের পাশে 1 কেন দেয়া?
এটা তোমাদের বইয়ের মধ্যে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল রেভলিউশনটা কি ছিল সেটা সম্পর্কে আলাদা করে বলে দিয়েছে, তাই এখানে 1 দিয়েছে। এটা নোটসটা আমাদের নেক্সট পেজে দেয়া আছে। ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল রেভলিউশন 1 যেটা, সেটা হচ্ছে দ্য পিরিয়ড স্পেশালি ইন দ্য 18th and 19th centuries in Europe when machines were invented and first factories were established. ওই সময়টাকে আমরা ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল রেভলিউশন বলি। আর এখানে আরেকটা লাইনে আমরা পাবো এই যে ট্রেড ইউনিয়ন, এটা বলেছে টু। ট্রেড ইউনিয়নটা কি, এটাও একটা নোট তোমাদের বইয়ের পেছনে পেজেই দেয়া আছে। an organization that represents workers of mills and factories, ওই অর্গানাইজেশনটাকে বলা হয় ট্রেড ইউনিয়ন। যে কোনো কোম্পানিতে এরকম একটা ট্রেড ইউনিয়ন থাকে। Okay, so let's see what there is. On May 1st, 1886, inspired by the trade unions, এই যে এইমাত্র আমরা বললাম trade unions যেটা organization that represents workers of mills and factories, তাদের দ্বারা ইন্সপায়ার্ড হয়ে কি হয়েছিল, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago, শিকাগোর একটা কোম্পানি যার নাম ছিল the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company, they went on strike demanding an 8-hour workday. This is the most important thing, 8-hour workday. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvester Machine Company and about 16,000 workers joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. Labor leader jara tara shobai mile eta korechilo rallyta. They urged the worker to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. তারা কি করেছে, সবাইকে সব লেবারদেরকে, লেবার লিডাররা মিলে এই র্যালিটা করেছে আর আর্জ করেছে, মানে তাদেরকে অ্যাপিল করেছে ওয়ার্কারদেরকে, সবাইকে বলেছে যে সবাই মিলে একসাথে দাঁড়াও, টু স্ট্যান্ড টুগেদার, টু গো অন উইথ দেয়ার স্ট্রাগল, তাদের এই স্ট্রাগলের সাথে যোগ দিতে বলেছে, অ্যান্ড not to give in to their bosses, তাদের বসদের কাছে সারেন্ডার করতে নিষেধ করেছে। At the point of the rally, some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street to bring them back. তখন কি হয়েছে, একটা সময়ে কিছু স্ট্রাইক ব্রেকার কি করেছে, মিটিংটা ছেড়ে চলে যাচ্ছিল, তখন যারা স্ট্রাইক করছে ওই যে লিডাররা, they went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly. তখনই একজন স্ট্রাইকার মারা গেল, 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded and many others were injured. So this was the previous incident on May 1st, for what the May Day have come. Now, what can we see in this picture? See here, everyone is celebrating May Day, and this is the workers of the world unite. On this day, the workers of the world unite together. তারা সবাই একসাথে মিলিত হয়।
Teacher, what is the meaning of
okay now the important points we have to remember. Sometimes we need to write a paragraph on this topic, so you have to remember on these points. You have to write down this name, McCormick Harvester Machine Company. অনেক আগের, দেখো বহু আগের একটা কোম্পানি in Chicago. It is in Chicago, and this was the event on 1886. We have to remember the year. Then and the number of the workers who strike was 66,000, and in 1886, May 1st, they come on road with a protest. And what happened? We have to remember 200 policemen attacked the strikers. One striker was killed instantly on the spot. 5 or 6 strikers seriously wounded, and many others were injured on that event. Okay, now you may ask me why this lesson is so important. This is important because you can prepare for our exam on different points. See, you will have seen passage, that is question number 1, 2, 3 from here, or you may have a matching question on this issue, and if you know, then you can match it. That would be in question number 6, and you can write a paragraph, that is question number 9, on May Day. So you have to remember the importance of the day. The celebration of May Day marks the day of historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish their rights. And it inspires people to be vocal for their rights. Because if you are not vocal, see, if a child never cried, the mother don't give it food, give it milk. In the same way, if people do not be vocal for their right, nobody will give you your rights. So you have to protest. Be vocal means you have to protest against it. Okay. Now, why this day is important? You have to write in the paragraph this. Because this day teaches us to protest against oppression. It reminds people that all workers should get their due payment and honor. And it inspires people to stand up and speak out. You have to stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better payment, and better lives. And it also teaches all of us that we should respect all types of works and, of course, the workers. You have to respect all kind of workers. All works are important for our lives. So you can discuss in pair with your friends or at your house if you see such protests or strikes in our country. Can you see? Will anyone tell me if you see any kind of protest in our country in this in such way? Can you tell? You see, every time
We saw
in our festival
the
time,
improvement.
we see nowadays during almost every festival time, we see such protests in our garment sectors for workers, due payments and other rights. দেখো যখনই ঈদ হয়, যখনই কোনো একটা উৎসব আসে, দেখবে গার্মেন্ট ওয়ার্কাররা প্রোটেস্ট করে তাদের পেমেন্টের ডিউ পেমেন্টের জন্য, তাদের রাইটের জন্য। সো এই ধরনের প্রোটেস্ট কিন্তু আমরা এখনো দেখি, তাই না? আমরা এখনো এই ধরনের প্রোটেস্ট দেখি। You can watch the national activities of the day, that means this May Day, by watching TV news and also the special broadcastings for the day. Then you can gain idea about the importance of this day. So your homework will be to write down a paragraph within 115 words on May Day, or you can write a letter to your friend describing the historical background of May Day or the International Workers' Day. And write your paragraph only in a single para. Sometimes you make mistakes, you make 2-3 paras and that become a composition. So, thank you and God bless.